Hello dear students, welcome to this first masterclass about semantics and pragmatics. In today's masterclass, we will talk about the importance of semantics in learning a language. Okay, so we're going to tackle all of this importance in order to understand meaning. So, the objective for this masterclass is that you will be able to comprehend and appreciate the importance of semantics in language learning. As you see, we're going to see the in-depth analysis and the components of this important topic. So, what we're going to talk about in this short mini masterclass is that I'm going to talk about the introduction of semantics, what is semantics, the importance of semantics in language learning, and some practical applications in which it will enable you to talk about meaning. Okay? So, having said this, we are going to start. Let's analyze the importance of semantics. As you see, semantics enables us to understand the words, the phrases, and the sentences in the language. So, it's the study of all of this and how to convey meaning. When we understand all of this, it will allow us to boost our vocabulary acquisition, our reading comprehension, and also our effective communication. So, it's important relies on the understanding of these words, phrases, and lexical items in order to acquire vocabulary acquisition, reading comprehension, effective communication, and also cultural awareness. As you see in here in real words, you can boost in all of the receptive and productive skills. Okay? So, you may wonder what is semantics though. Okay? So, as you see in the picture, okay, it's basically what the meaning conveys in here. As we can see, it is the study of meaning in language. It focuses on how words, phrases, and sentences convey meaning. As you see in the picture, if the animal says dog, in your mind it will be a dog in here because you are communicating. Okay? Unlike pragmatics, which looks at the meaning in context and use, semantics is almost concerned with literal meaning. Okay? The importance of semantics in language learning, first is that you will be able to understand meaning. You will be able how the words works. It helps you to grasp the meaning of words and sentence, which is essential for comprehension. If you understand meaning, you can understand communication. Also, you can build up your vocabulary. You can boost your vocabulary levels. Knowing the meanings and relationship of words aids in explaining your vocabulary. Another importance is that you will be able to boost your reading comprehension. You will have a strong foundation of semantics, enhance your ability to understand text, even longer text, short text, but you will be able to boost in this skill with this importance. Another thing that you will be able to acquire by knowing about semantics is that you will have an effective communication. You will have clear communication that relies on knowing the precise meaning of the words. When you have clear communication and you know what words and what phrases to express, you will have a clear communication with another person or with another group of people. And also, it allows you to give you cultural awareness. So it helps you to understand idiomatic expression and cultural reference, enriching your cultural competency. For example, if you are in the United States, there are many cultural expressions that differs from the British, from England. Okay, so in the use of semantics, it allows you to be aware of the cultural awareness of some lexical items that differs from one country to another. Okay, so let's talk about some practical applications in the use of semantics. Okay, here we can see a synonym matching activity in which you learned how to give another word to convey the same meaning. As you see, in this picture we have a boy that it is happy, but in the girl we can say that this girl is cheerful. If you see that it is freezing, cold, but all of relating with the same meaning. As you see here in the words, okay, you have the words happy, sad, fast, angry, easy, small, large, smart, begin, finish. Okay, in semantics, to give like the same meaning, we can use another words to convey the same meaning. Content, unhappy, quick, upset, simple, tiny, huge, intelligent, start, and end. As you can see, all of these two words convey the same meaning, but it could be in different contexts. That's why I'll be talking about pragmatics in the next master class. But here, like we can see some sentence interpretation activities in which I will say different things, but I can mean different things as well. So, for example, in this example, they are visiting relative. So, in one context, it could mean that they are relative who are visiting someone. Or in another context, it could mean that they are visiting their own relatives. So, language can be sometimes, you can appreciate different connotations. So, as in the other example, I can't believe he lied in bed all day. So, in one context, it could be understood that he spent the entire day in bed. But in another context, it could mean that he was lying down and not necessarily telling falsehoods. It will be lying down because he was sick. So we can see this in different contexts. That's why it is the importance of semantics in order to understand meaning. So, having said this all input, I want you to fill up a questionnaire and an open question in the EVA in which you have to recap all of the things that I said and also answer the questions in there. Okay, guys, have a good one and see you on the next masterclass. Thank you.